Hi, my awesome friends. Today I'm participating in a collaboration called Red, White, and Blue Vignettes. And I'd like for you to stay tuned and see what little vignette I put together with those colors. And we'll talk more about the collaboration coming up. So, here is a vignette that I put together. I'm going to start with this American flag. It's Americana. And then I went down to this. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm all over the place with my filming, and I do apologize for that. This is a little flower arrangement I put together. I'm not the best at doing flowers, so I just try to do the best I can. I had this watering can, and it was something I've had for quite a while. And I thought it really needed to have a little makeover, but I never got around to it, so I just wanted to go ahead and use it anyways. Now I'm down to these boxes where I have stacked them, and I have this little USA little, what is it called, a beaded little, I don't know what you call these things, I'm so sorry. But it has the Americana colors, the red, white, and blue. And then I have this cute little hat, American hat with a little bird on it. It's so darling, and it's got the red and white stripes. And then you've got the red and blue stripes, and then the white stars. And then here's the other box. It's more along those Americana colors. So it's not those really bright colors you see. And then here's another one of those little hats with a little bird on it. So super cute. I just love it. And the little vignette area, it's just really small, so I can't put a whole lot in there. Now I'm coming back to my watering can again. And I just have some flags in there. All right, so going over to this little topiary I have. This is, I thought, would be perfect for this area because it's got the white and blue check. And here's a little butterfly on here. And this is the Mackenzie Childs Royal Check little topiary. So I thought it would be perfect to use in this little area, and you can see all the pretty colors in that the base of it. And then I just simply set it on top of an inverted candle holder, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. And then on the other side of that is I have some silver candle holders, and I actually have it upside down, and you'll see I'm taking it off to show you the way it's supposed to be used. But the thing is, the candle holder, or the candles that I have, they kind of go over the candle holder part. So I decided, why not just invert it and use the bottom as the top. So always think about how you can use your items. It doesn't necessarily have to be used the way that you purchased it for. So there you go. So it looks a lot better. If I can get my arm out of the way, it looks a lot better with it inverted. So then I just put a little flower there just to hide that little area, because I have the little flag material at an angle. So coming back over here, now I'm going to talk about, see how I'm saying about this candle holder, and I left the tag on it so you could see. I got it from the Goodwill for, it's $1.98. I think I got that maybe 25% off or 50% off, I'm not sure. But look at how pretty it is on the inside. It's kind of like that mercury glass. So I just inverted it so I can use it as a riser. And I like that you can use items in whole different ways. You don't have to use it the way that it was intended to. And so coming back over, just kind of take another quick look before I go to the other side. And as you can see, there's another one of those candle holders that I have inverted. And here's this little box that I purchased from a friend of mine. Her name is Annalie, and she actually made this box. She used a lot of different papers and ribbons, little Uncle Sam bobblehead on there. So this was a makeover she did for me. I didn't do it, but I thought it was so cute, so I purchased it from her. And she does a lot of crafts. But it's an inspiration for me for in the future to try to do something like that. So again, here's another candle holder on the other side. And then I just simply put, a set of beads from the Dollar Tree on there. And then I have my little, I don't know, is this little flags, bunting flags? I'm not sure what these things are called. But I put them up there, and I had to put them so close because that space is so small. And here's a wider look at that area. Like I said, it's very small. And then I have my 4th of July flower arrangement on the other wall. So cute. I hope you guys like what I did. And then I thought, oh, maybe I could try something else. So let's see. Oh, I'm trying to show you guys the 4th of July. It should go on the door, but unfortunately I did not have a hanger, so I thought, well, why not just put it on that wall there? So that's what I did. So today's collaboration, Red, White, and Blue Vignette, is hosted by Leah from JunkerNecker DIY and Becky from Simply Becky DIY. Now these two ladies are very impressive on what they can do with the simple roadside stuff that most people would pass up. Now Leah, the name JunkerNecker, it means she breaks for roadside freebies and garage sales. So she is awesome at doing makeovers for, like I said, what most people would think is trash. So please go on over and see her amazing makeovers that she has done. And then Becky from Simply Becky DIY. She similar to Leah. Her channel contains a lot of DIYs, trash treasures, and garage sales. So again, she is great on her makeovers for things that most people would find that they would want to throw away. So they give great inspiration. So go over and check out what they've done. Now I just want to say, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my video. If you're not already subscribing, please consider. If you are already subscribing, thank you for continuing to support me and growing this channel. I do appreciate it, and pass the word along. I need more subscribers. I really am anxious to grow this channel, and so I need all of the support I can get. I love participating in collaborations, so if you have any collaborations coming up, please message me and let me know. I'd love to participate. So now on to my second view, because you know I always give you option 1 and option 2. So let's see what option 2 gets. So in option 2, I decided that I was going to add a third box to my stack. And if you noticed, I have a different little strand of beads there. Now I have the heart, and on top I have my rocking horse. Super cute, don't you think? The American flag is still the same, and everything else is pretty much the same. Not sure why I'm showing this again. Just showing you the beads. It is a little bit different. And then I have this cute little sign here that I made in my 5 for 5. So if you haven't already seen that video, go over and take a look at that, and I show you how to make this cute little sign with the flag using a napkin. I really enjoyed making that. So as you can see, it is a little bit different. Like I said before, I give you a second option to see which one you like best. The rocking horse is absolutely adorable. I love that, and I think it really does well with the whole vignette area, and having the 3 boxes is super cute as well. So let me know what you guys like in the comment section. You like option number 1 or option number 2 with the little horse? And on the horsey, what I really like is, of course, the Americana look, but I love that the mane and the tail is made out of these little rags. It just gives that like rustic look. Something that maybe my grandmother would have had, as a child growing up. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a second option. It's not a whole lot different, just a couple of items. But again, if you haven't already seen my 5 for 5 DIY video, please go check it out. I did 5 different DIYs, and it is awesome. Again, thank you for taking the time to come over and watch this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like what I did. It helps me to grow my channel, and it helps YouTube to know that you like my content. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you have a blessed and lovely day, and stay safe and keep crafting. Bye-bye.